morning, it's 8 a.m. It's so fun to go to school again. I miss my school, I miss you all. Friends and teachers, see you in the hall. I look around, everyone's smiling. It feels so good to be back again. I look around, everyone's smiling. It feels so good to be back again. Maths and science and geography, let's learn all about our history. No PC, just you and me. Together we can make it so easy. I look around, everyone's smiling. It feels so good to be back again. I look around, everyone's smiling. It feels so good to be back again. I look around, everyone's smiling. It feels so good to be back again. I look around, everyone's smiling. It feels so good to be back again.
उन्हाळ्याच्या सुट्टीचा आनंद शिक्षणाबरोबर घेता यावा या उद्देशाने श्रीमती राधिकाबाई मेघे विद्यालयात डॉल्फिन किड्स समर कॅम्प 2024-25 चे आयोजन करण्यात आले होते. या शिबिरात मुलांनी मोठा सहभाग नोंदवला. समर कॅम्प मध्ये मुलांच्या सुप्त गुणांना वाव मिळावा तसंच त्यांच्या अंगी असणाऱ्या कला विकसित व्हाव्यात या उद्देशाने श्लोक, योगा, चित्रकला, हस्तकला, नृत्य, संगीत, मैदानी खेळ, बैठे खेळ, शिल्पकला, फोनिक्स हे विषय घेतले जातात. तसेच शिक्षकाच्या माध्यमातून योग्य मार्गदर्शन देखील केले जाते. या समर्थाच्या माध्यमातून मुलांना शिकवण्याची आणि नवीन कौशल्य विकसित करून मुलांमध्ये आत्मविश्वास कसा निर्माण करता येईल यावर भर दिला जातो. या उन्हाळी शिबिरामुळे मुलांशी संवाद साधण्यास, वेगवेगळी कौशल्ये आत्मसात करण्यास, नवीन मित्र बनवण्यास तसेच शिकवण्यासारखे व टीमचे प्रतिनिधित्व देखील करण्यास आनंद मिळतो. श्रीमती राधिकाबाई मेघे विद्यालयातील हा समर कॅम्प 16 यशस्वी करण्यासाठी शाळेचे प्रशासकीय अधिकारी संतोष राजपूत, मुख्याध्यापिका अलका जाधव, उपमुख्याध्यापक मुकेश पष्टे, प्राथमिक विभागाच्या समन्वयक उषा जोग, पूर्व माध्यमिक विभागाच्या समन्वयक निलिमा गवळी यांनी मोलाचे सहकार्य केले. तसेच शालेय शिक्षक व शिक्षकेतर कर्मचारी यांनी समर कॅम्प मध्ये मोठा सहभाग घेत विद्यार्थ्यांच्या आनंदात सक्रिय झाले. या संदर्भात मुख्याध्यापिका अलका जाधव यांनी आपल्या प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करताना सांगितले.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी. ये समर कैंप हमने ये हर 18 डेज का रखा हुआ है और ये जो समर कैंप है ये आज नहीं, हम लोग रोज इसे नई नई एक्टिविटीज़ करा रहे हैं. और थोड़ा सा ये ब्रिज मतलब जो जून में जो इनको पढ़ना है या जो स्कूल में आकर सीखना है और अभी ये घर में ये होता नहीं है, ये घर में रहने का टाइम होता है. हमने इनको स्कूल में इसीलिए बुलाया है कि ये स्कूल से थोड़ा सा और पास आ जाए, क्योंकि एक्टिविटीज़ जब बच्चे करते हैं तो दे आर मोर नियर टू देयर टीचर्स, मोर नियर टू देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड दे लर्न सो मेनी कॉन्सेप्ट्स which are being taught during this time, which is also not the part of teaching at times. But when they do it over here, like you can even see the chess board has been made by the teachers, and even snake and ladder game has been put, and they have been told how to use those things. And even here I can see many other things. Children, I was just now talking to a child about strawberry. He gave me lot of details about even strawberry plus watermelon, though it was not the part of today's this thing. So children, they come out from there, they start thinking out of box also, and this is the right time to tap their skills, to understand them and to make them do the work. They enjoy this period maximum. So that is why we have put this summer camp. It's just for 15 to 20 days or 18 days, but it is going to teach them a lot. Firstly, they will come so near to the school and their teachers, which we want them to do. So let us see. We are trying to make them feel like that. Games, we had not only the indoor games, but we have added even running, athletics, and ball games have been added, so that they learn to catch, concentration is there. Then they are made to run in such a way where they have to use their concentration, and like zigzag motions, climbing the stair, climbing and then getting down, climbing and getting down. Those things improve their concentration a lot. I feel so good because children are very happy. They and parents are very happy. They feel that the children are passing a productive time in the school, which they are not able to give them during this vacation at the home. So they feel very happy. Children are very happy. Teachers are also loving to do all the work with the children out of the class they are. So that makes the whole situation very positive. My next suggestion is that whatever they are doing just now, parents must ask them every day what they did, what was the reason for doing it. Give them more inputs about the things which we are doing. Next thing is that this thing must lead a playway method of teaching, and then going to more deep to the concepts. Self-study mode should be there for the children. These things will help them to continue with those things which are the ladder to for better progress in their senior classes.
Reach for the sky. If you want to be a ransom master, you have to go a little faster. Reach for the sky. If you want to be a ransom master, you have to go a little faster. Reach for the sky.